Contabo is a German hosting provider established in 2003, known for its powerful and affordable hosting solutions, particularly in the areas of VPS and dedicated servers. Pros: competitive pricing. Contabo offers some of the best value-for-money hosting solutions in the industry. Powerful servers. Their servers are well equipped with strong processors, plentiful RAM, and fast storage options, including NVMe on newer plans. High customization. Contabo allows users to tailor their server specifications, providing great flexibility. Root access. You gain full administrative control over your VPS or dedicated server. Good uptime. Their servers are known for reliability. Cons: technical expertise. Managing your own VPS or dedicated server requires some technical knowledge. Contabo's offerings are better suited for those with at least some experience. Limited support availability. Support is primarily ticket-based and not available 24/7, with responses potentially taking longer during off-peak hours. Germany-based servers. Data center locations are limited to Germany, which might lead to higher latency for users located further away. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.